Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick to Learn. Today we will discuss NPM, and in this video we will understand NPM from basic to advanced concept. Okay, so today we will discuss about NPM, this concept including the package.json, dependency, NPM commands, local versus global packages, script packages, and package.log, and even how to publish your own package into NPM. Okay, so today's topic is NPM. So first, exactly what is NPM? Okay, so NPM is stand for Node Package Manager. It is the largest ecosystem of open source library in the world. It's come with Node.js for installation, and it helps us managing project dependency easily. So it is the default package manager for Node.js, and it's provide access to huge ecosystem of reusable JavaScript packages. Okay, for example, instead of you building HTTP server so completely from scratch, so we can install express we can use. Okay, instead of building the HTTP server, we need to run the npm install express. Okay, and that is it, and npm downloads express and package required by express and make them available in our projects. Okay, so why do we need npm? First, why do we need npm? So imagine you are building a large node.js application. Okay, so you might need express for api. Okay, mongos for mongodb like database, typescript for type safety, jest for testing, ESLint for code quality. Okay, it's instead of manually downloading and managing all this library, so npm handle this. So for us, npm help us to install the package. Okay, and manage the package, also remove package, update package, dependency management, run your project through script. Okay, and you can publish your own packages into the npm. Okay, so this is what the key features of npm. Next we check Node.js and npm versions. Before using npm, make sure Node.js is installed on your computer. Okay, because npm is most mainly used in Node.js. You can run simply node hyphen v for check the version of Node.js, and then you can check the version of npm. So simply you can npm and npm v, this is the version of npm. Okay, so creating an npm project, you can create your npm project. So first create a directory, you can use mkdir for the windows, and after that you can use your folder name. After that you need to first npm initialize the new npm project. So it can this command can what this command used for initialize the npm package in your project. Okay, and after that npm will ask you several questions such as project name, okay, version, description, entry point, and license. If you don't want to answer each question, you can simply run npm init minus npm init hyphen y. So into after that you can add y, npm init hyphen y. This automatically create package.json file with default values. Okay, so what? Okay, and there is some basic command over there. npm init for initialize a new npm project, npm install package, you can install the specific package, npm install, this can use to install the all dependency from your package.json. You use for install npm install, package name, npm update, outdated, and the list of npm all the packages listing. G is the global listing, and you can search packages using this command. You can check the info of that any package. npm run script, you can run script from package.json. So this is the some basic commands from npm. Okay, so now let's talk about one of the most important files in is an npm project is called package.json. So like it is the heart of any npm project. Store project metadata and dependency, create npm init command. Example this. So what happening, you can think of package.json as a identity card and configuration file of your Node.js project. So okay, it contain information such as project name, version, okay, description and the entry point of the file, script dependency and development dependency. So this is the metadata and the configuration files in your projects. Okay, so this is the node, what we can say, package.json. Now there is like explain what is dependency. Okay, so this is very important interview question. There are two types of dependency. One is the dependency, second is the dev dependency. Okay, so what is dependency? So dependency, there are packages required when the application run in your production. So this dependency we are using for the production, and dev dependency is usually only for the development. So there is some command restriction over there. So when you use dependency, so you like simply write the npm install express, okay, for the production. And when you came to the dev dependency, you need to add hyphen d, like capital D, like npm install hyphen d express for the dev dependency. And there is more optional dependency, means not required but improve performance. This is not required for the production as well, but it required only for the performance based. Peer dependency, like this is the dependency that is provided by the user. And bundle dependency means it's inside your packages. If you install any packages, inside this the bundle dependency came. Okay, so this is what the dependency. Now let's talk about the type of packages. Okay, so local packages, global packages, private package and public packages. So and we are using npm for what? For like install the packages in your code base or for your project. Okay, so there is the four type of packages. Like first is the local package. Local packages means install in your project only. We can install that package in our project only. Global package means install global using the -g command. Okay, this is the global packages. And what is the private packages? Private packages is that package is not published but used in the private projects. Means we are like, I am the developer and I have created my own package for my project, but I have not published that package into the npm. Okay, and what is the public package? Public package is like published in the npm registry. Okay, like anyone can use that package. So that's the public packages. Like now how to publish our own npm package. Okay, so first you need to create your account in npmjs.com. Okay, and first create your project using the npm init, then create your package code. Okay, then you need to log into npm using the npm login command, and publish using the npm publish command, and update this package.json. What is the name, version, description of the package. So after that you can use the npm publish command to publish your packages. Okay, so there is the two differentiation. What is the local installation and global installation came into existence. So local existence, like what is the difference between local and global npm packages, or what is can installation. So like local, we use local, so like npm install express, so the package is installed inside the current project. Okay, if I am working in one project and I install using the npm install express, so this command is only used for our project. If you use express in any other project, so that's not working because that is the local installation. Okay, and what is the global installation? Global installation is like system wide. If I am like install any package using the -j command, Okay, npm install -g and the package name. So this package install in my system, and I am using that package in anywhere else in my project. Any projects I can use that. Okay, so that is the difference between the local installation and the global installation of npm packages. Okay, so now let's discuss NPM best practice. So if you create any project, so always use the latest stable version of the packages. Okay, and you can update your dependency every time, and use package-lock.json for exact installs. Remove unused packages because it's increase the memory of your project. Use npm-rc for config because it can configure npm. Okay, now follow semantic version. What is semantic versions? In semantic version, the commonly used for SemVer. So this format is called major minor page. Okay, for example 5.1.0. Okay, so here 5 major version, 1 minor version, and 0 page version. So that is the some semantic version there. So this is what you can understand very clear. There is the three type: major version, minor version, page version. This is 5.1.0. Okay, but major versions can contain breaking changes. Like if you update the major version, so if you update 5.1.0 to 6.1.0, so this can create or break your code base. Okay, and what is the minor version? Minor versions add backward compatibility functionality, means they cannot break your functionality, but they can little bit change something. And page versions also contain the backward compatibility fixes, they can fix any wrong thing. But only please make sure if you range such as up and tilt control which version npm must select when resolving dependency. Okay, so this is the concept of npm. So thank you guys.